When I was little, my father was famous. He was the greatest samurai in the empire.
Hey everybody, Jerry Williams, aka Greater Sapien here. Thanks for stopping by. Today we look at number 20 of Eric Dubay's 200 Proofs Earth is Not a Spinning Ball. Dubay says, if Earth were truly constantly spinning eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour, vertically fired cannonballs and other projectiles would fall significantly due west. In actual fact, however, whenever this has been tested, vertically fired cannonballs shoot upwards an average of 14 seconds ascending, 14 seconds descending, and fall back to the ground no more than 2 feet away from the cannon, often directly back into the muzzle. Well, good. It should. You see, Mr. Dubay fails to understand relative motion and the laws of motion. What globe deniers say is that if the Earth were rotating, then the cannonball would shoot out. The cannon would continue on at 1,000 miles per hour, but the ball would only be going up and down, the Earth turning under it, and would land far away. But that's not the case. Even though the ball is going up and back down, it still has an eastward component, just like the cannon on the ground. Now, Dubay said the cannonball descended and ascended for 14 seconds each way. As the ball has gone up, the cannon on the Earth has traveled east about 4 miles in 14 seconds. But the ball also has the same eastward motion and has traveled the same distance. Coming back down another 14 seconds pass, and both the Earth and the cannonball have traveled another 4 miles. Now, it's true that during the 28 seconds of time, the surface of the Earth has turned away from the cannonball, but that would only result in the muzzle angling eastward away from the cannonball by about 1/10 of 1 degree. In a pure system, it would fall right back into the barrel, much like this ball does here. Any deviation in its return would be solely due to atmospheric influences and imperfections in the process. I might be giving him too much credit, but maybe he's confused by the fact that if you drop something from a height, not shoot it up and let it fall, but drop it, the object will fall more to the east than the target directly under it. And that's because the initial velocity at the two locations is different. The object high up has a higher tangential velocity than the spot on the Earth because it's following a larger circular path. These are experiments that can and have been done to verify the rotation of the Earth. It's been done repeatedly over the centuries, which he would know if he cared to learn about these things. And this is why I oftentimes refer to globe deniers like Dubay as science deniers. And they'll say, it's not that we deny the science, it's just that we deny your conclusions. But no, you're denying science. When you deny that an object has an eastward velocity and then continues to have an eastward velocity when you propel it straight up, you're denying science. When you deny relative motion, you're denying science. We're challenging it. No, you're not. You're denying it because it challenges you. I don't have a pithy ending for this one. It's been a long week.
That's my job. That's what I do. I don't lose. I win. Is there no one on this planet to even challenge me?
Maybe you came by to congratulate me on last night's victory.